The light aircraft operated by Elite Flying Club was on training flight before it crash-landed at about 10:15 a.m. Project Supervisor Armurugan, who saw the aircraft flying low before crash landing, helped rescue the pilot and 2 passengers.
Saya kerja bawah sana. Saya nampak kapal tu turun. Turun, tiba-tiba saya ingat dia parking ke apa kan. Lepas tu dia pergi hantam sana tu, bisi. Saya mari tengok ada 3 orang lah. Saya kasih tolong semua dia. Tanya yang orang ada luka ke? Tak ada, cakap tak ada apa-apa lah. Lepas tu polis semua datang, bomba semua datang.
Kulai Fire and Rescue Services Department deployed a fire engine with 4 firemen after receiving a call at 10:29 a.m. The operations to clear the debris ended 2 hours later. Meanwhile, the Air Accident Investigation Bureau of the Transport Ministry said it will investigate the cause of the crash. The PA-28 is a family of light aircraft built by Piper Aircraft and designed for flight training, air taxi and personal use.